Hello there everyone, this is Ashmita from Saurav's classes, and in today's class what we are going to do is we are going to solve the questions from the CUET 2022 paper of Sociology, and here we are going to get to see like what kind of questions normally come in these examinations and how you are going to prepare it. So yes, coming to this question which is presented to you on the screen, it says you have to match list 1 with list 2. Here in list 1, we have the book names, and in list 2, we have the author names. A says Stri Purush Tulana. B says Three Sermons on Human Nature. C says Sultana's Dream. D says The Texts of the Hindu Law. And on the other side, list 2 says M.G. Ranade, Tarabai Shinde, Bishop Joseph Butler, Begum Rukaiya Hussain. Coming to Stri Purush Tulana, we are going to attach it with Tarabai Shinde. Three Sermons on Human Nature, we are going to attach it with Bishop Joseph Butler. Sultana's Dream, we are going to match it with Begum Rukaiya Hussain. The Texts of the Hindu Law, we are going to attach it to M.G. Ranade. So here let's see which is the correct option for us. So we are going with A2. Yeah, A2, B3. Yes, we have got this. So it's B as the correct option, A2, B3, C4 and D1. Moving over to the next question. Now before moving over to the next question, let me tell you, here at Saurav's classes, we provide you with live lectures, recorded lectures, portal access to all the enrolled candidates, and whichever entrance examination you are preparing for, you can join our classes for the expert guidance. We provide you with doubt clearing sessions, then we provide you with study materials, and yes, our study materials are also available on Amazon and Flipkart also. To get all the details, please check the description box below this video. You will get to see the link of our official website, and you will also get to see the WhatsApp number and the contact details. Do contact us and get yourselves enrolled so that we can help you out with your exam preparation. Coming back to the question, let's move over to the next one. We have the next question in front of us that says Indian nationalism is inclusive because it recognizes what? Because it recognizes diversity. Our Indian nationalism is inclusive because it recognizes diversity. Now it values, it acknowledges the diverse cultures that we have, it acknowledges the diverse languages spoken and all the religions and also the traditions that make up the fabric of India. So yes, option A is the correct one. Let's move over to the next question. Our next question is, which of the following is not correct? Now there is separation of religious and political authority in Western secularism. No, this is correct. In Indian context, secularism goes hand in hand with communalism. I feel that this might not be correct. Let's go through the other options also. Secular Indian state respect all religions. Of course, a secular state does not favor any particular religion. Of course. So yes, option B would be the correct answer. Now, communalism, that is which I have crossed out, what does that mean? It refers to the promotion of religious or ethnic identity, especially in politics. It is related to politics, so often leading to such things often leads to like conflicts, disagreements between different religious or ethnic groups. So yes, Indian secularism aims to maintain equal respect for all religions and also prevent religious discriminations, and it is not meant to go hand in hand with communalism. Yes, so yes, let's move over to the next question. B was our correct answer. We have the next question in front of us, which says, identify the correct statement. During emergency, people experienced authoritarian rule. During elections, immediately after the emergency, people voted overwhelmingly for the Congress party. The civil liberties of people remain unaffected during the emergency. Press was given freedom of speech during emergency. So over here, during emergency, people experienced authoritarian rule would be the correct one. Others are not correct. Okay. Okay. Moving to the next question. Next question says, which of the following is not Sanskritization? Now, the statement rests on purity and pollution. This is not related to Sanskritization. The rest of the others are related to Sanskritization. Like Sanskritization is kind of a concept which is used in Indian sociology, and that refers to the process by which the lower castes or the lower class individuals and the lower class or lower caste groups, they adopt the customs, the rituals and the practices of the higher caste or the higher class groups in order to improve their own social as well as their own economic status. So yes, it is primarily about social mobility and cultural change, but not but not, you can say, not explicitly that is related to concepts of purity and pollution. Yeah, moving over to the next question then. Next question says, colonialism had a deep impact on the structure of the Indian society. Which of the following is not true regarding colonialism in India? Britishers interfered with Indian markets to ensure greater profits. They altered the way of production. They implemented the Forest Act, which changed the lives of pastoralists. They benefited from continuous flow of tribute without interference in the economic base. Now, this statement, the last statement, this is not true actually regarding colonialism in India. Now, colonialism in India involved significant economic changes and also exploitation by the Britishers, including their interference in the Indian markets, altering the production methods and implementing certain policies like Forest Act that affected various communities and resources. So this, we can say, the British colonial administration did not simply benefit from tribute without interfering in the Indian economic base. Rather, they actively shaped and they exploited India's economic structure during the colonial period. So yes, that was the discussion for today's class. Thank you for being with me till the end of this class. We are going to meet again in the next classes by solving these questions. I'm going to provide you with detailed sessions, and we can have all the communication over here, or if not, then you can join our live sessions. You can post down your confusion in the comment box below, and definitely for the live sessions, do check the description box below. That's it. Prepare well for your examinations. Goodbye.